Jarifam, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And let's just take a moment and talk about my choker. This reminds me of the movie Student of the Year in the song Disco Divane, where Alia Bhatt and Kajol wore something similar. But yeah, that's not the point. But I just wanted to talk about it, and let's just get into the video. I started off by using my moisturizer first. इसके बारे में मैंने ज़्यादा बात की है in my upcoming video. This is a new Bioderma moisturizer which I ordered, so stay tuned for that. And further, I just went ahead and applied my sunscreen. मुझे fancy लगना था, इसके लिए I applied it with my brush. But then, to be honest, your skincare melts into your skin when it's done by your hands. So I just blended it using my own hands and then just applied my lip balm. Now, whilst doing my base, which is my Smashbox ka Halo Glow and Primer, the recording suddenly stopped and I did not realize it up until I did my entire base. So yeah, that's what I used for my base product. And then doing my concealer. Now I have only used my Swiss Beauty ka concealer, but you guys let me know in the comments which are the other concealers that I should try. I'm itching towards K Beauty. मैंने Maybelline use किया है, House of Makeup use किया है, Swiss Beauty तो obviously use किया है, and other a few brands as well. But I think now I want to try K Beauty because I've heard a lot about their concealers and Huda Beauty. So let me know in the comments if there are another drugstore companies jiske concealers are killing it and I should give it a shot. I will definitely look into it. But yeah, I'm definitely trying to buy new concealer once these are over, and I've literally used them up, so it can get over anytime soon. But that's the concealer part. Look how literally concealer brightens up your under eye, and the moment your under eyes are just brightened up, your entire face looks so put together, highlighted and everything. Now for setting powder, मैंने use किया है innisfree. इसके बारे में भी मैंने ज़्यादा बात की है in my upcoming video, so stay tuned. I ordered bunch of things from Nykaa's Hot Pink sale and I've made a video of it, but that will come after this, so stay tuned. I'm actually really excited about that video. I don't know why, but yeah, that's the thing. And now let's move on to eyes. Now this is literally the most easiest glam eye makeup look that I have done. I just applied this lightest brown plus orange shade on my crease. A tip is that always start with the lightest shade on your crease because you want your eyes also to have that dimension and that contoured effect. So it always start with lighter, darker and then darker. Then for my second eyeshadow, I took something which is a bit darker than my previous eyeshadow and a more denser brush compared to a fluffy brush, and then just focusing it on to my crease, like depth of my crease. And then this is the star product. This is from K Beauty. I had received this eyeliner pen stick, whatever you want to call it. Has a little bit of glitter and shimmer in it, but that's the star product. And then I just used this brush to blend out and give it as an effect, an illusion of eyeliner. I was really not moving towards the doing eyeliner stuff, but just giving an illusion because I did not want it to show it as a harsh line. So just blending it really well, and that's it, you guys. Pick up any eyeliner or any stick which has shimmer in it and just apply it on your eyelids, not the entire eyelid, but just on the upper lash line, and it really brings the glam into your entire look. And then जो eyeshadows मैंने ऊपर लगाए वही same मैंने नीचे लगाए. Don't forget this step. Please add some color to your lower lash line as well because that really brings back your entire eye together. Then I moved on to contouring, bronzing, whatever you want to say. I use this Lac makeup product and then I just blend it out using this brush from Bronze On. अभी ये बहुत random brush है जो मैंने Amazon से order किया था, and literally I've realized you don't need to spend like 1000 2000k on brushes. Truly, you just need to ensure whatever brush you're buying, it's just truly the bristles are soft, and that's it, because 50 to 60% of your work is done with the right placement of your product, and then 30 to 40% you can say is just blending out that product. And for blending out, you just need to ensure that the bristles of the brushes are soft, and Amazon really has a lot of brushes options. So just go there, check out what you like, what fits into your budget. You get anything and everything, and truly I'm telling you, you don't need to spend thousands and 2000s and lakhs on your brushes. truly like there are a lot of brush options available. My favorite company would be ProArt. So really, if you're looking out for affordable brush company, then check out ProArt. Their brushes are really good. I went and adjusted my nose contouring. Now I'm not a pro at this technique. I'm also still learning it. But I think this is a decent, nice hack. Then moving on to bringing back life and youthfulness on my face, I just added my highlighter and my blush together. Now this is a new step that I've been doing it because इससे क्या होता है, when I blend it out, the highlighter will get blended into my blush so good, and it will make me look as if I'm glowing from within. You can see in the video, right, the moment I'm blending it. So I really like doing this step. You guys also try this out. It's a very nice and a cool hack to apply everything together and to just blend it. It just looks amazing. I just added my powder bronzer. This is from Makeup Revolution. Clearly, I've been obsessed with this bronzer. I really like it. So again, if you're looking out for an affordable bronzer, please check this brand. And then just quickly doing my brows. I keep it very simple. मुझे मतलब fancy brows या एकदम sharp brows का कोई शौक नहीं है. I just apply this one product and then I will blend it out using my spoolie, and that is it, you guys. But I am trying out new eyebrow product, which again I've spoken about in my next video, so kindly stay tuned on my channel for that. And that's it, brows are done. Up using my gulab gel. Now in case you don't have any fancy makeup fixers, trust me, just use your rose water. It does the job truly, and it brings so much of freshness onto your face. Again, you can see, right, the moment I spritz it, look at my face, so it's just like fresh and glowy. For lips, I took my Studio Wesca lip liner, and then I just went ahead and used this Kiro ka lipstick. Trust me, if you're looking out for a very nice Indian brand. So yes, I was talking about Kiro. I lost my track. But anyways, Kiro is a very nice Indian homegrown brand, and they are truly giving you some killer products. So do check it out, this brand. Further, I just wanted my lips to be very extremely muted. So I used this very light nude shade from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade Chai. And then just to bring my entire lip together, I added my Maybelline ka lifter gloss. These glosses are amazing. You can see just one swipe and my lips is just so nice and beautiful. And that's it, you guys. This was the most easiest simple glam makeup look, perfect for your parties, dinners, cocktails, and it was just so easy to create. These are literally the products you need and you're good to go. And that's it, you guys. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in my videos. Bye.
It's all